I'm Noel Dinas, portable welding equipment sales engineer. I'm going to introduce you to the WMK, our workshop maintenance kit. This is a portable, versatile welding equipment that can be used stationary in a workshop or for multiple on-site jobs. It is a two-axis machine, lightweight, very simple to assemble, disassemble, and compact. So it can be used in a variety of welding applications in a range of industries. This is a versatile machine that can be used for welding joining pipes, can be also used to weld clad rolls or cones, or weld clad in flat position. It can be used with stepped stringer beads or stepped oscillated beads, using the stepper switch or the end of oscillation of one axis. And that will allow you to clad or hard face any rollers, any pipes with guaranteed repeatable quality. This is a modular equipment because it can be used either in MIG-MAG, open arc, sub arc or TIG welding process. The stroke of each axis is only limited by the length of the track beam, so it can be adapted in most situations. We can add a motorized axis like a longitudinal axis, a fast oscillator, a second wire feed or a spinner device. This will allow greater productivity and weld quality. A great example is our H-frame. This is basically the WMK with a longitudinal axis and in this case a spinner device, which is a turntable. The WMK is so versatile, it's the only equipment that you need in your workshop. To me, the WMK is one of our best and most versatile welding equipment. It's simple to install, simple to use. This is a cost-effective way to answer most of your welding applications in a workshop or in situ. Our machines close the loop of our range of services. This goes in line with our technical support and our welding wires to provide you with optimum productivity and efficiency in any of your welding applications.